Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno6 5G and let me show you how to turn on and off camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage with camera settings at the last position. So let's open them, and now we have to tap to composition so we can find our leveler at the last place. By using the button from the right, we can easily turn it on and off as we need. Now let me keep it turned on. When we move back to the preview, we have it at the center. This is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture. And of course, when we don't need it, we have to move back to right corner, then settings, composition, and tap to this button to turn it off. So for now in the preview, the leveler has gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.